Hello all and welcome to Code with Shantanu. Today we are going to make an archery game. So as you see I've got a blue sky stage. I'm gonna name this Archery Game. Okay, so now we're gonna create a few stripes by painting. So over here we're gonna have a circle like this, match it up, have a fill this, select the line, get the outline. You want a gray color. And this selected as 10. Actually, if you want, you can select it as, let's say, 15, right? And then um gonna create another circle right like this. I'm gonna make it a bit wider. Actually, way smaller. Want it almost like a dot, right? And good. Okay. Yeah. So now we have this, right? Okay, now this is way too big. We're gonna create the size. Let me try 30. See, yeah, that's pretty much okay. And then we're gonna create. I'm gonna move this to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we're gonna create another uh, sprite. Okay, gonna make a big circle, and this actually take it red like this. And if you want it a bit less bright, you can make it. Okay. And you don't want an outline, so make it like this. Wait, I'll tell you how to see, right? Okay, then we're going to make it again a bit bigger. Big, big, right? And we're gonna put it into the center. Okay, and then we're going to create another circle, right? Right, this much. First of all, so we can see it clearly, make it a blue. See this blue? It's pretty much fine. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. You see this? Now this is our middle part, right? Okay. Now let's create another circle. This one's gonna be what do you want this color to be? Okay, how about yellow? Right. I'm gonna make it this big, make it yellow. Right, 1 second, let me make it a bit more bigger and move it to the center. Yeah. And then we're gonna have a white one. So fill, we want all three these two here like this. Okay. And then we're going to have it like this, and again bring to the circle center, right? And if you want actually good. Now here's our board, right? So now let's go to code and make this an x0 and y0. Okay, so it's in the center. Now for the code, the real part. So in events we need this, we're gonna have a few messages. New arrow, and we're going to have one space press. Okay. So this part we're gonna broadcast a message. New arrow, right? Now when I receive new arrow, we're gonna do a few things. First of all, we want it to size 30. So set size to 30%. Oh, not symmetry. Then we're going to have a forever loop. We're gonna say in there is to move it. So motion, we're going to go to glide. Okay. So glide is like I'll tell you, before we've used a move and a go to, right? So that's more like it disappears in one place and appears in another, right? Very fast. Now glide, it will show you that you're moving, right? It's showing you. So this is how much time it will take to glide, and this is to x0, like which x value and which y value, right? So in both of them we're gonna have a pick random, and let's see, here's gonna be negative 150 by 150. Okay, no, negative 150 right there. Okay, how about 100? Okay, so we'll have a trick like outwards anyways. So let's have it negative 100, negative 100, 2 plus 100 on both places. Negative 100, whoa, 2 plus 100. Okay, now, oh, and one more thing. We first needed to go to this place, right? And then it can move wherever it wants. So one more. Wanted to go to negative 1. Oh, yeah, actually 100 by negative 100, right? Okay. Now, when space key pressed, that's basically when we want the arrow to go, right? So the first thing we're going to do is something you probably haven't done before. I'm gonna select the stop all, but we don't want it to stop this too. We wanted other scripts in Sprite, right? So it will stop with this one and this one, like this forever block won't go, okay? And the first thing we want is repeat 50 times, right? What that's gonna do is reduce the size by 10%. Change size negative 10, right? It will keep doing that and it will keep shrinking, right? So that it will only be on one color basically. You don't want it to select two colors. That would be very weird, okay? Okay. And then we're going to have four if conditions for the four colors, right? Nope. If, 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 if. Right? Okay. Now, in so we go to sensing, we do this touching color, right? Now, if we went and tried to select the same exact color as this red, it would take a long time, right? So instead we select this, and basically it will select any color we want, right? So I'm gonna select this red. It selected it for me, you see. I'll leave it, right? Now similarly we can do it like this: touching color, touching color, touching color. This one is going to be the blue. This one we want it to be the yellow, and this one we want it to be white. Okay, right? And now we're gonna make it say you got 50 points. Okay, so we're gonna do C, so it's just easier for us to do. Actually, it's even easier if we duplicate it, put it in here, duplicate it again, put it in here, and duplicate it the last time, put it in here. It's gonna be 100. This is gonna be 150, and this is gonna be 200. Okay, and actually I'm gonna do one more thing. Oopsies. Right, okay, and that's about it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to comment. Bye, and stay updated on the next video.